The Hon Michael Kirby ACCMG. When he retired from the High Court of Australia on February 2, 2009, Michael Kirby was Australia's longest-serving judge. He was first appointed in 1975 as a Deputy President of the Australian Conciliation and Arbitration Commission. Soon after, he was seconded as inaugural Chairman of the Australian Law Reform Commission, 1975-84. Later, he was appointed a Judge of the Federal Court of Australia, President of the New South Wales Court of Appeal and, concurrently, the Court of Appeal of Solomon Islands. His appointment to the High Court came in 1996 and he served 13 years. In later years, he was acting Chief Justice of Australia twice. 1. Australian Bar Review. The Rule of Law Beyond the Law of Rules. The Honourable Michael Kirby ACCMG. The law must afford adequate protection for fundamental human rights. What have I learned in this respect over a long life in the law? The World Cup, the latest cricket scores and the current movies, books and songs are more likely to be on the lips of citizens at work and at play. The rule of law does not tend to come up very often in popular discourse amongst fellow citizens. I have witnessed many instances in Australia, and taken part in some myself, where the rule of law has been upheld in important cases to safeguard basic constitutional, statutory and common law rights. This has been so even though, in Australia such rights are rarely spelt out in express terms in the Constitution itself. Usually, they must be derived from the common law or individual statutes or inferred from the structure and purpose of the Constitution. Notice how constitutional statutory and common law rights are separated. He is telling you your rights aren't going to be given to you on a platter or written into laws, you need to know them and how to exercise them. This is why the rule of law means more than obedience to a law that exists in the books. We can never ignore our duty as lawyers and as citizens and human beings, to ask whether the law so appearing is contrary to universal human rights. If it is a breach of the fourth of Lord Bingham's subordinate attributes of the rule of law as that principle is understood today. Notice how he defines between citizens and human beings. Is he telling you there is a difference between them, so which one are you?